Good morning, children. Hope you understood the previous lessons. Today we will discuss about aggregate or multi-row functions of MySQL. Aggregate functions means group functions also, and they will apply to multiple rows of a given table. So first you have to analyze the given table and then we will proceed. See, this is the table. It is table employee. You all are well familiar with this table. Employee number, e-name, job, MGR, hire date, salary, commission, department number. All are columns in the table EMP, and the rest are rows which you can see in this EMP table, and the values which are blank in between the columns are null values. Okay, then now we will discuss group functions. It is max. Max function returns the maximum value of expression means you will pass the column name to this function and it will retrieve the maximum salary from salary column. Now you can see that the salary column had so many values. There are total 14 values given in salary column, but max function will retrieve the maximum salary, that is only one salary which is maximum among the salaries given in the salary column. So you can understood it as max function is a group function which will apply on 14 rows and retrieve only one result, that is maximum salary. So the next function is min. Min is just opposite of max. It will retrieve the minimum salary from the salary column. Sorry students, here it is my mistake. I wrote it max. Please rectify it as min. Now come to the next function. It is average. Average and distinct. Distinct is a clause. You know very well, distinct retrieves unique values from a given column, and distinct is optional here with average. What will average do? It returns the average value of expression. If there are no matching rows, average returns null values. Select AVG cell from EMP. What it will do? It will calculate the average of all salaries and will return the average value to you. Now the next query you can see, select AVG distinct cell from EMP. Earlier you have seen the EMP table, students, where some values are repeated in salary column. Now the distinct clause will retrieve only unique values from salary and then calculate the average of only unique values. It will not include repeated values. Yes. The next function is sum. The syntax of sum is same as the average. It also allows to calculate sum of distinct values in a column, or you can leave the distinct clause where it is not required. It returns the sum of the values of a column. Expression means the column name. If the return set has no rows, if you do not have no rows, then sum returns null. The distinct keyword can be used to sum only the distinct values of a column. So I think it is but simple. Now count expression. Count expression, it returns a count of the number of non-null values of expression in the rows retrieved by a select statement. Suppose you passed a column name to count, so it will count only non-null values, and it is the difference between count expression and count star also. Count star will return the total number of rows including null values. It is somewhat different in that it returns a count of the number of rows retrieves whether or not they contain null values. Select count star from EMP. It will return the all rows of a EMP table. It will give you how many total rows in the EMP table. That's all for today, students. Hope you understood these group functions, and rectify one more query. See the second query for the sum. I again committed a mistake. I wrote average. Rectify it with sum. Thank you. Hope you understood the group functions, aggregate functions. We will discuss group by, order by, and having clauses in the next video. Thank you.